All right, guys, welcome to today's goal setting workshop. So it is April 1st, 2019, and I really want to show you guys how to set your goals so you can make sure that you hit them, how you can actually, really set some smart 2.0 goals is what I'm going to call it if you guys are familiar with the smart format. But really how I set my goals and how I'm able to consistently hit my goals each and every month and how you can do the same. So I know typically, the beginning of January 2019, we've all set our goals. We've all kind of made our New Year's resolutions. And if you have or haven't been on track so far this year, I want to revisit your goals and really show you how to break them down so you can make sure that you hit them not only in the month of April, but every single month in 2019. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's do a quick introduction for those that are new to me. My name is Krista Tyus, and I'm an enrolled agent by the Internal Revenue Service. And I grew my very own tax and accounting firm since 2012 to multiple six figures year over year. And I help tax, accounting, bookkeeping, and financial professionals how to get more clients consistently using Facebook and LinkedIn. So that is my jam, helping you guys get more clients into your business and really do as I did, which is grow a multi six figure firm. So let's talk about hitting your goals. So 99% of people have goals. We all have aspirations that we strive to shoot for or obtain. But statistically, only 1% actually actively work toward them and achieve them. And yes, if you see any typos, they are supposed to be there just to make sure you're paying attention. Okay. So how do we ensure we hit our goals? Well, I created something called FAST goals. Okay. And I want to show you what my FAS goals are, my FAST goals are. This ensures that I hit my goals each and every month, that I crush them every single month. I'm bringing in the type of money that I want to bring in. I'm losing the weight that I want to lose. I am doing everything that I want to do. Okay. So here is my unique methodology. So I start off with flexible. I make sure my goals are flexible. So we're going to go through that in just a few. I make sure my goals are actionable, and I make sure my goals are specific. So if you do these three things fast, then you will pretty much guarantee that you are going to hit your goals. And I kind of created my own unique methodology from the SMART goal format. If you guys ever heard of the SMART format, which is your goal has to be specific, measurable, actionable, and so forth. Okay, so I just really condensed it down and really made it my own. And you're going to see how it's, to me, much more efficient and straight to the point. So let's talk about flexible. So when it comes to your goal, a lot of people, they really put themselves in a box with their goals. They either say, I'm going to lose 20 pounds or else, or I'm just going to die. Like the world is going to come to an end if they do not hit this one goal. And ultimately, it just really sets you up for failure, because we are human, which means that we are fallible. We aren't perfect beings, and we're going to mess up. We're not going to be consistent. So allowing your goals to be flexible will ensure that you put some goals in there that really allows you to stretch yourself, but that also makes sure that you could pretty much realistically hit at least one of them, right? So what I do, I break my goals down into what is good, better, best goals. Okay. So your good goal, which, your good goal would be something that you pretty much know that you can obtain. It's something that you've probably done the month prior. You've probably done at some point in your life, whether it was lose 10 pounds or make that, $5,000 in a month or $20,000 in a month. You have this good goal, which is a pretty much the goal that in the back of your head that you can pretty much obtain because you've probably done it before. Next, you have your better goal. So this is the goal where you want to stretch yourself, right? So you want to go a little bit above what you can do. Okay. And then your best goal. So this is the goal where if you obtained it, you would be jumping up and down, screaming like you won the lottery. Okay, this is the absolute best that you could possibly do and expect of yourself. Okay, and so this could also look like good, lose 10 pounds, better, lose 15 pounds, best, lose 20 pounds. So you could take this good, better, best, flexible goal setting method and really put it towards anything that you want to achieve. Okay, so let's talk about why we do this. So, really, we make our goals flexible so that we can set a goal that is a tad stretch for us, but still very much attainable, without becoming complacent. Because what typically happens is if you just set a goal that you can hit, you're just going to strive to hit that goal and you're going to become complacent and you're not going to stretch yourself. So if you do hit your first goal, you have your second, which is your better and your best goal waiting for you, and to really keep you motivated and to really keep you pushing so you don't fall into complacency. Okay. So this allows us to consistently hit our goals while actually stretching ourselves for bigger and better results. Okay. Now, the second thing is actionable. So something that, is very important is really knowing your key performance indicators. Okay, so what is KPIs? Because I've only been knowing what a KPI was. Maybe it's been about a year and a half since I've actually known what the heck a KPI was or heard someone mention a KPI. So a key performance indicator is really just a quantifiable measure used to evaluate success. So it's the thing that you ask yourself, you would say, what actions leads to me acquiring a customer, or what actions leads to me losing 10 pounds? What are the indicators that you are on track for success? Okay. So some examples for me would be strategy sessions. Especially if you are like a tax professional, bookkeeper, accountant, financial coach, talking to people is very important. You need to be talking to your ideal clients each and every day and seeing how you can help them and, really help them make or save money in their business or their personal affairs, whatever your niche is. So strategy sessions would be a KPI that you will want to track in order to really be a good indicator if you're even on track to hit your goal, right? So another KPI could be live video. Live video builds up know, like, and trust factor extremely fast. And so live video could be a way that, you utilize in order for you to attract your ideal customers. So this would be a KPI that you will definitely want to evaluate and measure. So the reason why we really need to know this is because you need to know exactly what contributes to the goal being obtained, such as eating healthier. What exactly is going to contribute to my success? And you want to make sure that you are tracking your KPIs every single day. Okay. So part 2 of actionable is you have to have an offer to sell. So for instance, if we're just talking about getting clients here for this one specific goal, you need to know, what are the services that you're going to sell in order to make $20,000 per month. So you can simply just write out your services, monthly bookkeeping at $500 per month, tax preparation at $550, tax planning at $1,500, business startup at $550, whatever your service is, but you need to have something to sell in order for you to hit your income goal, if this is an income goal that you are setting for yourself. And the why behind this is you need a core offer to focus on that you will exchange for your goal. So this could also be treadmill for 30 minutes per day. So what are you going to exchange for this goal? You need to do some sort of action in order for you to reap the benefits of this reward, right? So either you're going to exchange a service to reap the benefit of receiving money, or you're going to exchange sweating your tail off on the treadmill for 30 minutes in exchange to losing 10 pounds in a month, right? So you really have to make sure that you are tracking your key performance indicators. What is the actions that you need to track that's actually quantifying success? Now, the last one is specific. So knowing what to do every single day. Okay, so this is critical because a lot of people set goals and they don't have a clue as to what they should be doing each and every day in order to hit their goals. And guys, honestly, this is the sweetest part of goal setting, is when you can drill down your goal to the freaking day. You are pretty much guaranteeing your success. If you know exactly what you need to do every single day to hit your goal, you are pretty much guaranteeing your success. So you pretty much just take your goal divided by your KPI, and that's the daily action that you need to focus on. So for instance, I know that every 1 in 5 people I talk to become a paid client. So one of my KPIs would be to speak to people every single day. Like I said, if you're a tax professional, accountant, bookkeeper, financial coach, like you're in the people business. So you need to make sure that you are speaking to people every single day if your goal is to be onboarding clients every day or every week or every month. So if I speak to 1 in 5 people, if my goal is to onboard 5 new clients for the month, then I'll need to make sure that I need to speak to 25 people in a month in order to onboard 5 new people. Okay, so that's on average just 1 person per day that I'll need to speak to realistically hit my good goal. And I'll then forecast my better and best goal the same way. So we just went over that good, better, best goals. You're just going to break down your goals into your good, better, best, and you're going to break down your KPIs, your key performance indicators, into good, better, best as well. So why do we need to be specific? So this one is pretty self-explanatory, but we need to know every day without a shadow of a doubt what will truly be required to obtain that goal, right? And like I said, guys, once you know what to do every single day, hitting your goals is going to be effortless. It's just going to be you showing up and doing exactly what you said you're going to do, right? So here's an April goal example. So let's just say our flexible goals were good. We wanted to make $20,000 for the month. Our better goal was 30 grand and our best goal was 40,000. So actionable, our KPIs that we'll need to focus on would be strategy sessions, talking to people every single day, and then enrolling those people into our monthly bookkeeping package of $500 per month. Our specific thing that we need to focus on every single day, we just need to talk to one potential client every weekday, Monday through Friday. This will pretty much ensure us that we're going to at least hit our good goal. But if we ramp it up and we really, if we talk to 2 people per day, then that is setting us up to hit our better goal. If we talk to 3 people per day, that's setting us up to hit our best goal of $40,000 for the month. So this is game changer, guys, when you know exactly what you need to do every single day in order to make the type of money that you want to make, in order to onboard as many clients as you can stand, right? As many clients as your capacity can handle. So the last thing, like I said, that you need to do is just check yourself every single day. Did you speak to 1 person per day today? Did you talk to that potential client? Did you onboard somebody into your $500 per month bookkeeping package? If the answer was yes, then awesome, you're 1 step closer to hitting your goal. If the answer was no, if you didn't talk to anybody today, then you know that if you have, too many more of those days, you're pretty much not going to hit your goal, right? Now, we all have more than one goal, right? Income is just one of many goals in our lives, right? We may have health goals, we may have family goals or love goals, whatever the case may be. I use a habit tracker, and this has really changed my life and how I actually show up every single day. So this is just a screenshot of my personal habit tracker on some of the things that of what my KPIs are that I'm committed to tracking every day. So for instance, I wake up at 5:30, I weight train, I do my cardio. So these KPIs are specifically put in here because I have a very specific fitness plan that I'm trying to obtain, so that's part of my KPI. Focus attention with my children, like that's a very specific outcome that I want to achieve with my children. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you guys this Excel spreadsheet. You could just print it out and tape it up on your mirror in your bathroom, or you could, put it on your desk, just somewhere where it's visible every single day, just to remind you to stay on track to hitting your goals. Because if you list everything out that you need to do in order to get you 1 step closer to achieving your goals, you will really just be setting yourself up for success, because now you're keeping yourself accountable. And honestly, guys, when you do this, you're really going to see that you're really not that consistent. Like the first month that I did this, I thought I was a very consistent person, and it turns out I'm not. I was like, no wonder I'm lacking in so many areas of my life, because once you put up zeros, once you track this every day and you put up a zero and you see all those zeros start to add up, you really look at your life a lot differently, and it makes you want to be a better person. So you want to put an X next to the action that you did complete, and you put a zero to the action that you didn't complete for that day. Okay. And the goal is to don't put up a zero. You want to strive for excellence in everything that you do, speak, and be. Okay. So, guys, if you want help in getting more clients, if you're like, Krista, I don't even know how to get strategy sessions. I don't even know how to get people on the phone so I can onboard them as a bookkeeping client or a financial coaching client or a tax planning client, whatever the case may be for you. If you want to learn how to get people on the phone consistently, we use Facebook and LinkedIn, guys. It's simple stuff. But if you want to hop on a free marketing strategy session with me, I put the link in this video. I only have very few spaces left because I personally talk to you guys, and it's only so many people I can talk to in a day. So go ahead and book a date and time that's convenient for you. And also, if you want a copy of my habit tracker, so you can download it and actually put your KPIs on that and print it out and stick it up on your bathroom mirror like I do, so you can hold yourself accountable and make sure that you hit your goals, then I'm going to put the link below this video as well that you're going to be able to download that. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.